Okay, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, but on 17th of October 2024, I forgot to switch on the recording. There is no recording about the lecture. But don't worry, in the next week, on 14th of October, I repeated everything. So what we had done, I repeated what is matrix. I gave some operation with it. The transponent was defined, the adding of matrices, multiplying matrix with a scalar, multiplication of matrices, matrix product with examples was given. The identity matrix was given, and what else? The inversion was defined. Singular matrix, regular matrix. I had no time, or just minimal time I had to show how to do the inversion of a matrix. There are two methods. One is using elemental methods and the subdetermined method. I repeated everything next week. Also, I defined some the exponentiation of matrices, some equation for it, and we started to learn about the rank of vector system and matrices. And that's it. Check the recordings of next week on 24th of October 2026. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.